Number 101. What is the highest common factor of 36 and 45? This is how you do it. This is how you get to find out. You look for you state out the numbers that can get into both the numbers without leaving a remainder. That's how you see it. That's how it is. There's 36, there's in 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. They get into 36 without leaving a remainder. In 45, there's 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. They can get into 45 without leaving a remainder. So we have the common factors. The common factors are the ones that exist in both the two numbers. And these numbers, we have 1, 3, and 9. We have 1 here, 1, 3 here, we have 9 here, we have. So we want the highest. The highest is 9. Okay, the 1 will be the lowest, so the highest will be 9. We move to number 102. 102. 496 times 24 to the nearest 10. That's how you do it. 496 times 24. 4 times 6. 4 times 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay? So 4 times 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. 24. We get 24. 4 here, 2 up here. 4 times 9, 9, 18, 27, 36. Plus 2, 36, 37, 38. 38. We put 3 here. 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. Plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. We put 19 here. 2 times, we get to the second number here. 2 times 6, 12. 2 here, we carry 1. 2 times 9, 18. Plus this one, 19. 9 carry 1. 2 times 4. 2 times 4, 8. Plus 1, 9. With this row and column, we add. 4 goes down. 4 plus 2, 10. 0 carry 1. 9 plus 9, 18. Plus 1, 19. 9 carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10. Plus 1, 11. 11. So the answer is going to be 11,904. From here to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10, we take it to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. To the nearest 10, we are just going to we are just going to look at we position here and we look at the number in front. So whether it's positive or not. When it's positive is when it starts with 5 till 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are positive numbers. If it was positive, it was going to turn this number to be 1. So since it's a negative number here, like it's low, it's less than 5, then it won't change this number. It will remain as it is. So here the case, this number is 0. So this one will end up turning into 0 too. So the answer will be 11,900. That's the answer. We move to number 103. Number 103. What is 4 over 9? What is 4 over 9 of 36? 4 over 9 of 36. This is how we do it. 4 over 9 of 36. Of 36. 36. This of here is the same as multiplying. It's the same as multiplying. 9 into 9, 1. 9 into 36, 9, 18, 27, 36. It goes in 4 times. 4 times. 4 times 4, 16. So the answer will be 16 here. Number 104. The ratio of men to women in a train is 4:11. There are 180 people in the train. Calculate the number of the men in the train. This is how we calculate it. You get to know the total of the ratio, which is 11 plus 4. Total of the ratio. This 4 it means is for men. This 11 it means is for women. So 4 plus 11, 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. We bring down 1. It's going to be 15. It's the total. So from here, this is how we are going to do it for men. The ratio of men is 4. The total is 15. That's how we write it as a fraction. Times 180. Times 180 of the people. So this is how it's going to be done. 15 into 15, 1. 15 into 18 is 1. We remain with 15, 16, 17, 18. We remain with 3. We put 3 here. We are going to have 30. 15 into 30 goes in 2 times. Now we have 12. 12 times 4. 12 times 4, 12 times 4, 12 times 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 1, 4. The answer is going to be 48. The answer is going to be 48 for number 104. So there are 48 men in a train. Okay? Number 105. A water pipe leaks out 80 centimeter cubic of water in every 20 minutes. How many centimeter cube of water are lost in 50 minutes? That's how we do it. 80 centimeter is equals to, it gives it, the water pipe leaks out 80 centimeter cube in every 20 minutes. In every 20 minutes. How many centimeter cube of water are lost in 50 minutes? We are given minutes this side, 50 minutes. We don't know how many water is lost in centimeter cube. So from here, we cross multiply. This is a scenario of an unknown against the solution. So x centimeter cube times 20 means minutes will go together, and this 80 and 50 will go together. 80 centimeter cube times 50 will go together. 50 minutes will go together. X centimeter times 20 minutes, it will give us 20x. It will give us 20x. 80 times 50. 80 times 50 minutes. 80 times 50. 0 times 0, we are going to multiply. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 8, 0. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 40. Here we add, 0 goes down, 0 plus 0, 0. This 0 goes down, this 4 goes down. We have 4,000 here. We have 4,000 here. From here we divide, or we cancel out. So when we are dividing, we are cancelling out this 20, so we must divide it by 20 across 20, so that we remain only with this x. We are dividing the whole thing here, so that's why this line reaches here. So when we are dividing this side, we also divide this side. What is happening on this side, it also happens on the other side of the equal sign. So 20 to 20 is going to be 1x. It's going to be 1. 20 into 40, 20 40 goes 2 times. We remain with these 2 zeros, they will give us 200. So x is just the same as 200. So the answer is 200. Okay? That's the answer for number 104. That was the answer for number 105. 106, 106, 106. Which of the following fraction is the largest? So for us to know which fraction is the largest, we turn these fractions into decimal number. That's how we get to figure out which one is the highest, because it's difficult. It will be difficult for other students to just observe and they give out an answer. So you become patient and you work it out. So this is how you are going to do it. 2 into 1, 0. So we put a decimal point here. The moment we put a decimal point here, we put a 0 here. It means we have 10 now. 2 into 10, 5 times. 10 into 7, 0. Put a point here, we put a 0 here. 10 into 70, 7 times. 5 into 4, 0. We put a decimal point here, we put a 0. 5 into 40, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It goes 8 times. 8 into 5, 0. We put a decimal point here, we put a 0. 8 into 50, 8, 16, 24, 30. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. We stop at 48 when we are only having 5. 48 when we are only having 5. 48 when we are only having 6. It got 8, it just got into 56 times. We remain with, we are at 48, 49, 50. We are remaining with 2. 8 into 2, it can't, so we just put a 0. 8 into 20, 8, 16, 24. 8, 16. Stop at 16, we have 2 here. So looking at this fraction, we can now figure out which number is the biggest. So we want the biggest. The question wants what? The largest fraction. So which one is the largest? 0.8 is the largest. So the answer will be C. 4/5 is the largest. We move to number 107. Number 107, number 107, number 107. We move to number 107. What is the fraction 2/5 when expressed as a ratio? So it's just, since it's 2/5 expressed as a ratio, you just put 2 here and put these dots and put 5 here. That's the answer. Remember, this, the opposite of a ratio is a fraction. That was number 107. That was number 107. We go to number 108. 108, number 108. What is the equation of 4.8 and 100? Equation, remember, we are talking about dividing. We are dividing, okay? We are dividing. So this is how we are going to do it. Since we are dividing 4.8 with 100, so when we are dividing, we move the decimal point to the left hand side. So since we are dividing with 100, we are going to move twice. If we are dividing with 10, then we are going to move once. So we are dividing with 100, so we are going to, because there are 2 zeros, we are going to move twice to the left, because we are dividing 1, 2. So we are going to have a 0 here. Our point will be here, our decimal point will be here. So we are going to have 0.048. This is the answer, or that's how we figure out the answer. If we are multiplying, we are going to move this decimal point to the right. That's it. This okay only when we are multiplying with 1 followed by a 0. So it will depend to how many zeros we have. Number 109. Number 109. Number 109. What is 30 Pula 60 tebe in pace? In pace is like in tebes. Okay, this is the symbol for rupee. This is the currency of India. 30 rupee. What is 30 rupee? 30 rupee 60 pace as pace. So this is how we are going to do it. It's the same as 30 Pula 60 tebe to tebes, turning them into tebes. Okay? So this is how we are going to do it. 1 Pula is equals to 100 tebe. We count the tebes, 100 of them, they will make up 1 Pula. So 1 Pula is equals to 100 tebe. So this way, for us to know, to turn this into 30 Pula 60 tebe into tebes, we divide. So we divide by 100, so we are going to move this decimal point to the left twice. When we move it to the left twice, then we will have 30, we have 3060. We have 3060 tebes. Okay, that's how we figure it out. Number 100 and number 110. Number 110. Number 110. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Arranging these numbers in descending order. Arrange this number in descending order. Descending order, it means you are starting with the biggest. Then we take it to the smallest. So the answer is going to be A. 2, 0, -3, -7. So for you to know this thing, you're supposed to know this number line, how it goes. One, 2, 3. When we are going this side, it becomes the biggest. Okay? When we are going this side, it will become the smallest. So that is why we have -1, -2, -3. So -3. Because -3, this one is big. This one, -1 is bigger than -2, just like the negative. So here on our list, -3 is bigger than -7.
Subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you very much.